Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Survival Vietnamese, where we explore the beautiful Vietnamese language. Today we're diving into something super important, greetings. Now when you think of greetings, you might just think the simple Vietnamese chào, but it's so much more than that. Let's explore why greetings carry so much weight in Vietnamese culture, and we're gonna show you how to do it. Let's go. So let's get a little help from Mito. Okay, so what's the most common word for greetings in Vietnamese?
Chào.
But it's not that simple, right?
Yeah, that's right. So we also usually add some family terms like big sister or brother.
Okay, so that's not too
Yeah,
bad.
so it's pretty simple. Like it's going to depend on how old the other person is, and we do not have to overthink it. And if someone is the older brother age, so we call them anh.
Anh.
Yeah, and if someone is younger brother age or younger sister age, so we call them em.
So it doesn't matter if they're younger brother or younger sister, it's always em.
Yeah,
All right, let's try it.
yeah.
Okay.
Chào anh.
Chào em. So we got older brother, anh, and younger brother or younger sister, em.
Em.
What's older sister?
So in Vietnamese, it's chị.
Chị.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's with the heavy tone, nặng. So you gotta restrict the air. Chị. So for this part, let's bring in Thuy Anh. All right, Thuy Anh, how old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
So we gotta ask in Vietnamese. In Vietnamese, how old are you is bao nhiêu tuổi. So Thuy Anh, em bao nhiêu tuổi?
Em 24 tuổi.
And Mita, how old are you? Em bao nhiêu tuổi?
Em 22 tuổi.
Okay, so then you would call Thuy Anh chị, right?
Yeah.
So let's try that out.
Chào chị.
Chào em. You got it!
All right, let's quiz you guys. Older brother in Vietnamese is anh. Older sister, chị. Younger brother or younger sister is em. Okay, Thuy Anh. So what if somebody who is a man is older than your older brother? Kind of like a young uncle. What do you call them?
We call them chú.
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 Okay. And what if it's a woman who's older than your older sister, like a young auntie?
We call them cô.
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 These are people who are younger than your mom and dad?
Yep.
Right. So what if it's somebody that's older than your mom and dad? Like an older aunt or older uncle, what do you call them?
Bác.
Back? You got it?
You got it!
I'm hungry. Let's get some bánh mì. I see a woman over there selling bánh mì. What would you call her?
I would call her cô.
Let's go try it out.
Okay, let's go.
Dạ chào cô. Cho con 6 ổ bánh mì. Rồi ở đây mình có bánh mì gì vậy cô?
Có này thịt nướng nè, chả lụa ba tê nè, chả cá nè, cá hộp, trứng chiên.
Vậy cho con 6 ổ giống nhau đi. Lấy cho con
Thịt nướng nha.
dạ thịt nướng với lại thêm trứng chiên.
Thịt nướng trứng.
Có ai ăn cay không?
Cho con một ổ cay.
Cho con cay luôn đi là 4 ổ cay, 4 ổ không cay, 2 ổ cay.
Không cay thì ăn tương ớt nha.
Dạ.
Rồi, ok.
Ok, cảm ơn cô.
Thôi xong quay lại.
So Thuy Anh, I see a man over there selling coconuts. What would you call him?
I will call him chú.
All right, let's try it.
Con chào chú. Chú cho con mua một ly nước dừa nha chú. Dạ ok chú. 13.000 một ly. Cho con mua một ly nước dừa. Có đá luôn nha chú. Dạ. Dạ được.
Con lấy cơm được không?
Dạ có, thêm dừa đi chú. Thêm dừa cho nó mát. Cảm ơn chú.
So that was easy, right? But we do want to talk about how in Vietnamese culture, greetings aren't just hello. It's a way of showing respect and someone's place in the social hierarchy. How you greet someone shows your understanding of their age, status, and your relationship with them. So to break it down, here's Hannah.
Hi.
So Hannah's gonna talk about why greetings are so important.
When you enter to a house, it's really important to greet with chào. But the word you call them, it depends on whether it's your mom's side or your dad's side.
Okay, so if I walk into a house and I see my mom and my dad, what do I say?
Chào ba, chào mẹ, or chào ba mẹ.
So what if it's your dad's younger brother?
Chào chú,
Okay, what if it's your mom's younger brother?
chào cậu.
Okay, what if it's your dad's younger sister?
Oh, chào cô,
Okay, what if it's your mom's younger sister?
chào dì.
Okay, so what if they're older than your dad or your mom?
I live in the south. That is my father brother older than him. So I call him bác. But if that is my mom older brother, I call him cậu. And also I call my mom older sister is dì.
So in the north, doesn't matter if it's your mom's older brother or your dad's older brother, it's still bác.
Yeah.
And grandma and grandpa also depends on whether it's your mom's side or your dad's side, right?
Yeah.
So grandma and grandpa on your mom's side is,
Chào bà ngoại, chào ông ngoại,
and on your dad's side?
chào ông nội, chào bà nội.
Wow, so that's when it gets complicated. By the way, complicated in Vietnamese is phức tạp. All right, guys, ready for a quiz? What do you call your dad's older brother?
Bác,
What do you call your grandpa on your mom's side?
ông ngoại.
You got it! All right, so today we learned that chào is really important for adults, right? It's not just hello, it is a sign of respect. It's also really common to hear chào when you go to a restaurant, when you go to a cafe, people say chào to you. That's just good customer service. All right, so Mita, what about with friends? Do we say chào?
We don't say ciao with our friends.
What do we say?
Hello.
So we can just say hello like in English,
Yeah.
right? So it's actually really common for Vietnamese people who are friends to just say hello. Okay, everyone, so I hope you feel more confident about greeting people in Vietnamese. Before we end the video, what about goodbye, Hannah? How do we say goodbye in Vietnamese?
For a door, we say chào. But for a friend, we say bye.
Bye! Like, comment, subscribe!